Okay guys, this is Jimdel-Edu. I'm back for another tutorial. We have a comment system using PHP and MySQL Database. A lot of you asking for this code. At the end, I will add the link in the description so you get access to download it free, guys. Okay, but one thing I want you to remember, I want to tell you is that I want to get a 1,000 subscribers by June this year, 2022. Okay, I want you to work on it. Share my channel with your friends, share with people that you know, so that I can achieve that goal, 1,000 subscribers by June. Okay, because I'm going to add this link in the description. You're going to get access to it free, download it free. Okay, so that you can work on it. Okay, let me show you, for those who are new, let me show you how this works. Okay, here you put your name. Okay, I put if they say, okay, they call me Sam Brown. Okay, this is my name, this is my comment. I'm going to say thank you for sharing this article, like this. Keep it simple and click on submit comment, and you see your comment has been submitted. If you refresh the page here, you refresh the page, you say thank you for sharing this article. Okay, here let me show you the my PHP management. Let me refresh it. As you can see here, John Brown Peterson, we have 1 2 3 4, and let's check 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 because we just added the first one here. Okay, let me refresh this. Now this is what we got. We got 1 2 3 4 5. Now this is Sam Brown. I just added this one. Thank you for sharing this article, and you can check the time. Let me go back and reply. Let me go back and reply to this message. I click on, this is where I click on reply and put Jimdel-Edu, and I'm going to say okay, thank you for sharing this article. And this is where I'm going to say you are welcome. Let me keep it simple. You are welcome. Okay, and refresh this. Okay, you are welcome. Okay guys, so okay, thank you for sharing, and this is it, guys. This is how this works. And I'm going to add this link. You will get it free. Okay, don't forget, 1,000 subscribers by June, and then if I achieve this, and after that you will get access some of my code, okay, that I got on the YouTube. You get access to it. I will add the link so that anyone can get access to it. All right, this is I'm going to stop now and upload everything for you guys. All right, catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.